Hello, welcome to another video of solving this Rubik's Cube by various patterns. Today I'm going to show you this pattern is first two from the left and the way to solve it. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, the below of a cube, it's in this fashion. There's a red, blue and orange, and the side colors are green, center side green, orange and red, which is this is a cross. So let's look at the orientation of this cross and the side colors. It's orange, green, red. So basically it's orange is pointing towards the left side. So it's when it's pointing to the left side, and we know you have to use this side to solve it. So it's on the top. So when solving this, we will use the last two from the left. So let's begin. As you can see, Rubik's Cube is now solved. Thank you.